Good day once again, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion for Thursday, April 26, 2012. Start things out with the water vapor loop this morning, and it shows a disturbance along a frontal boundary that has been developing across the Midwest, and this is a baroclinic zone that's going to be a problem in our forecast for periods or portions of the area during the weekend. This is the water vapor imagery. It shows some high cold cloud tops here across the traversing the frontal boundary. There's a weak wave of low pressure across this area too, and some rain showers which are getting in here. If we can stop the motion of that there for a minute and get to the radar. Some of this is all rain in here, and rain showers exiting off the Delmarva mid-Atlantic coastal regions this morning. Basically clear this map off a little bit so we can see some temperatures. Temperatures this morning are pretty uniform. They're basically in the 40s and 50s with the cloud cover, and probably going to remain in the 50s through around 60 degrees or so throughout most of the day in the New York-Philadelphia corridor. And the temperature dew points are pretty mild, pretty dry, but they're coming up a little bit in the mid and upper 30s and lower 40s. So cloud cover will be a pretty consistent thing during the day, but we're not really anticipating much in the way of any of this moisture reaching most of the northern mid-Atlantic. There could be some light rain showers or sprinkles, but probably less than a tenth or two during this afternoon before a very strong cold front comes through the area. This low pressure feature will move off the mid-Atlantic coast, and cold front will move through, and the winds are going to start to crank later tonight and tomorrow. And the air mass, you see this, temperatures here in the 40s and 50s. This is a cool air mass coming in for Friday. And we can see some of the Doppler returns this morning, but most of this probably isn't even reaching the ground yet. And this is the NAM-WRF model from Penn State's eWall site. Great site for model data. This is the NAM-WRF up-close base reflectivity composite futurecast, if you want. And you can see some of the rain showers this morning getting into the Delmarva area. Here comes the cold front. A few more rain showers get in and out of the area. Not expecting a wide area of showers today. And the cold front comes through. Could see a few showers along with that, especially over northern sections. The skies clear off tonight. The winds begin to increase. And we could see a few more clouds scattered across the area early tomorrow morning. And then generally a mostly sunny day. A few scattered clouds in the afternoon. Northwest winds. And fire danger could be a threat tomorrow, as well as relative humidity values dry off. And then skies become mostly clear. We see some high clouds getting into the region probably later in the afternoon on Saturday. Temperatures rebound. The winds lighten up a little bit on Saturday. Saturday's a pretty nice day over the forecast area. And then we have to watch for the response of this baroclinic zone across the region, because this will be the focal point for where showers develop across the area Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening into Sunday morning. Right now, most of the modeling is keeping this frontal boundary to the south, so not expecting a wide area of any kind of major precipitation across this region, but we'll have to watch out for portions of the Delmarva for later Saturday night and early Sunday morning. European model beginning today and going through next weekend, we can see that the upper level low will finally be moving away, more of a zonal flow, confluent flow over the weekend. So breezy conditions, below normal temperatures still in the northern mid-Atlantic. And then a ridge begins to pop across the Great Lakes early next week and moves overhead of the mid-Atlantic with strong high pressure, a return southwest flow. And temperatures next week could really get into the 70s, even a few 80s, not out of the question by midweek before the flow begins a little bit more buckled. The ridge axis continues right through Thursday, Wednesday, and Thursday, moves off the mid-Atlantic coast, and the northern branch of the jet, again, trying to dig out another weak wave of low pressure and cold frontal boundary by late next week. And overall, the pattern will be conducive to more tranquil conditions and generally very warm conditions from the beginning to the latter part of next week at this point. Once again, I have to make this short today because I'm on the road, so I will get back to you bright and early on Friday morning with your typical weekend weather outlook discussion, and we'll try and hone in on where those showers will be. But generally speaking, today will be just a cloudy day, a few showers around, and then the winds pick up late tonight, and tomorrow is a sunny day, but albeit a windy one. And we'll check in with you again bright and early on Friday morning. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a great Thursday.